Hey everyone, and welcome to
Keigh in the Kitchen.
Today we're going to be doing a comparison between real meat and the fake thing. So we're going to do a taste test, cook it up, see what it tastes like with blindfolded. Let's get into it.
Do I do half?
We're going to cook 6 burgers, darling.
Okay.
So, and see the size of the other burgers?
Does it smell right to you?
Yeah, it smells fine.
It just doesn't smell like meat, that's what I'm expecting, so.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to cook the meat first.
Yeah, the meat needs to cook for a good amount of time. And you want to make the real meat size up against the other meat. So have a look at the size of those patties.
Then put it on the plate, because once you put it on there,
Right, yeah. So half of the whole entire thing makes one.
Is that equivalent?
No, so half makes 3. And that was our video of
Beyond Meat and the actual thing.
Yep.
What did you think?
I think real meat tastes better. I think that the texture was much different, and the taste as well was a lot different. That's it. Move on.
And how about you, Keigh?
Okay. I personally thought that Beyond Meat was for some reason a little barbecue, but that may have just been with how the patty was cooked. I thought the difference between the two were subtle, but you could definitely tell the difference if you were trying to tell the difference. If you weren't looking to see the difference in flavour, then you wouldn't notice it, if you catch my meaning.
Well said. I thought the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you asked me which one is it, I actually had to think about which one it was, because it really, to me, actually did taste almost like meat. It was when I first took the bite that I got that aromatic flavour in the space of my mouth.
Yeah.
And that's when I this is Beyond Meat. But then after I was eating it, I was like, oh, that's gone, and I'm actually not sure now whether it is meat or not.
Yeah. So you're able to taste the difference before you eat it, but after you start eating it, you question yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So a worthwhile taste test?
Yeah, definitely. I enjoy Beyond Meat, and if it was a more regular thing that you could find everywhere at a cheaper price, I would definitely make the change, personally.
Would you make the change, Jess?
No. I couldn't. I mean, personally, I think that they just need to get the exact right taste of meat, and then I would actually switch over. Because that's the main reason meat eaters don't eat vegetable meat, is because it doesn't taste the same, doesn't look the same, and doesn't smell the same. They got the look pretty good. They look like quite well, and then the taste, a little bit off, personally with me. The texture needs a little bit of refining because it's a bit bitty, I personally think. But they definitely got the sizzle right, that's for sure.
When it hit the pan, it sizzled, didn't it?
Yeah, it was like a... That kind of sizzle you want anytime you're trying to cook meat.
Yeah, and I would also like to try the Impossible Burger as well, to compare the two.
Have we seen the other one here anywhere?
No.
And you can actually make it yourself. You just have to get the ingredients. There's, I think, 1 or 2 ingredients that you do actually have to buy online, but the rest you just get it.
Okay, normal supermarket.
Yeah.
To finish up, Jess?
And that was our taste testing of meat and Beyond Meat. And I will see you next time.
See you next time, guys.